The CyberMasters are a fusion of cyber technology and the Master's ambition and Time Lord corpses, so they're endlessly regenerating Cybermen.
He uses the bodies left over from Gallifrey, and he uses the genes and he puts them into the bodies of the Cybermen in order to create the CyberMasters.
Behold! Your new CyberMasters, Doctor. All born from you!
They're a cross between the Cyber Warriors and a Time Lord. We've basically incorporated a Gallifreyan collar that's made from laser-cut metal with Gallifreyan symbols. Also, I've made the front face completely flat and kind of emotionless. There's a cloak, which they wear, which has the new Gallifreyan symbols printed all down the front of them, which has never been done before.
They are an army you do not want out there, but unfortunately, it looks like they are.
This way, soldiers.